Join me in just a minute for the Fascinating Time Machine's 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Hi, thanks for joining me today for our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. We actually passed 1,000 subscribers a couple of weeks ago, and right now we're actually up to 1,400 subscribers. And that's amazing. That's another 400 subscribers in just a couple of weeks. So thank you all very much. We've gone past 91,000 views. We're at 7,000 viewing hours. I am blown away by everyone enjoying this content so much. I love the community. I love the comments and the interaction I'm getting. So please do continue, keep that up. And for those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I want to continue growing this channel, and I'm sure we'll have another prize giveaway when we hit 5,000 subscribers. So let's keep it going. The prize today is this, the Watch Repairer's Manual by Henry B. Freed, the Bible for all watch repair enthusiasts. And the question that I posed in the kinetic repair video was, before Seiko named their technology kinetic, when they launched it, it was known by something else. And the initials were AGS. What did AGS stand for? Of course, you all got it, automatic generating system. So the rules of the draw were quite simple. You have to be a subscriber, you had to drop a like on the kinetic repair video, and leave a comment on that video with the answer to the question. And basically, I will take all of the comments that were made on that video. I will remove any duplicates. At least the software that I'm going to use will do that. And it will also then spin through all of those comments and pick one out at random. And that person will be the winner, providing they got the answer to the question correct. If not, then we will spin again. And we'll keep doing that until we get a winner, and then I will ship this out to that person. So, without any further ado, let's get to the draw. So here we are with the randomizing software. We've just pulled in all the comments from that week. And just do a refresh, and as you can see, we have 75 participants. And now we're going to spin through all of those comments and pick one at random. And there we have Chris Keeley. Congratulations, Chris. You are the winner. There you go. Congratulations to Chris Keeley. Chris, I'm sure you will love this book. If you could drop me an email to the channel email, fascinatingtimemachines@gmail.com. Just give me your name, shipping address, phone number, and preferred email, and I will get this shipped out to you. Just to make sure this does go to Chris, please, Chris, if you go back into your comment and just edit that from the same profile, just so that I know it's you. Just make a reference to winning the prize. And then once I've verified it's you, I'll get this shipped out to you as soon as I can. So that's it for another giveaway. As I say, probably have one again at 5,000 subscribers. So keep on subscribing, keep on growing this channel. And until next time, goodbye.